Welcome to USA Smart Shop. If you are looking for the best steering wheel cover to improve grip, comfort, and protect your steering wheel from wear, you are in the right place. In this video, we will cover the top 5 best steering wheel covers available today. These covers are selected based on material quality, fit, comfort, and overall value. Let's get started. We have included links in the description. Number 1. Valley Comfy Steering Wheel Cover with Microfiber Leather for Car Truck SUV 15-inch. The Valley Comfy Steering Wheel Cover is designed to improve both comfort and grip while giving your vehicle's interior a more refined look. Built to fit standard 15-inch steering wheels, it's compatible with most cars, trucks, and SUVs. One of the first things you notice about this cover is the microfiber leather material. It has a soft yet durable texture that feels comfortable in your hands, especially during long drives. Unlike hard plastic steering wheels, this material provides a more cushioned grip, reducing hand fatigue over time. The inner lining features a high-quality rubber base with an anti-slip design. This helps keep the cover firmly in place once installed, preventing shifting while driving. A secure fit is essential for steering control, and this model maintains stability even during sharp turns. Another key benefit is temperature control. In hot weather, steering wheels can become extremely warm under direct sunlight. In winter, they can feel uncomfortably cold. The Valley Comfy cover acts as an insulating layer, making the wheel more comfortable to hold year-round. Installation is straightforward. Because of its snug design, you may need to apply slight pressure while fitting it over the wheel, but once installed, it stays tightly secured. In terms of appearance, the microfiber leather finish adds a clean and modern touch to your vehicle's interior. The stitching detail enhances the overall look, giving it a premium feel without being overly flashy. Number 2. SEG Direct Car Steering Wheel Cover for Prius Civic Model 3 Model Y Camaro, small size 14 to 14.25 inch, black and red microfiber leather. The SEG Direct Steering Wheel Cover is specifically designed for smaller steering wheels measuring between 14 and 14.25 inches. This makes it ideal for vehicles like the Prius, Civic, Tesla Model 3, Model Y, Camaro, and other compact steering wheel designs. Made from microfiber leather, this cover offers a soft, breathable surface that improves grip while maintaining durability. The black and red color combination gives it a sporty appearance, making it a popular choice for drivers who want to enhance the look of their interior. The anti-slip rubber inner lining ensures the cover stays securely in place. Once properly installed, it minimizes movement and provides consistent steering control. One of the standout features is its comfort during daily driving. The slightly padded material improves hand feel and reduces strain, especially during longer commutes. It also helps protect the original steering wheel from wear, fading, and scratches. The breathable material design can help reduce sweating during warmer conditions, improving overall driving comfort. At the same time, it provides insulation during colder months. Installation requires stretching the cover over the wheel for a tight fit. While it may take a bit of effort, the snug fit ensures better performance and safety once installed. Overall, the SEG Direct Steering Wheel Cover is a strong option for drivers with smaller steering wheels who want enhanced grip, sporty styling, and everyday comfort. Number 3. The R-Passline Rider Microfiber Leather Sporty Steering Wheel Cover Universal fits for 95% truck SUV, cars 14.5-15-inch, anti-slip safety comfortable design, glows lime fluorescent green. The R-Passline Rider Steering Wheel Cover is built for drivers who want both sporty styling and enhanced grip performance. Designed to fit steering wheels between 14.5 and 15 inches, it's compatible with approximately 95% of cars, trucks, and SUVs. One of the standout features of this cover is its bold glows lime fluorescent green accent design. The vibrant detailing gives the interior a sporty, high-visibility look, making it a strong choice for drivers who enjoy customizing their vehicle's appearance. The cover is made from microfiber leather, which offers a comfortable, soft-touch surface while maintaining durability. The material improves grip compared to bare steering wheels, helping reduce hand slippage during turns or long drives. Safety and stability are enhanced by its anti-slip inner lining. Once installed, the cover fits snugly around the wheel and resists shifting during regular driving. A secure fit is critical for steering control, and this design focuses on maintaining stability. In addition to style, the slightly padded structure adds comfort. It reduces strain on your hands during extended driving sessions and provides insulation from extreme temperatures. Whether it's hot summer days or cold winter mornings, the cover helps maintain a more balanced steering wheel temperature. Installation may require firm stretching to achieve a tight fit, but that snugness is what ensures the cover stays in place over time. Overall, the CR Passline Rider steering wheel cover is ideal for drivers who want sporty interior styling combined with comfort, grip, and universal compatibility. Number 4. Pinktrot Steering Wheel Cover. Great grip with 3D honeycomb anti-slip design, universal, May 14, 15-inch. The Pinktrot steering wheel cover focuses heavily on grip and control with its unique 3D honeycomb anti-slip texture. Designed to fit universal steering wheels between 14.5 and 15 inches, it works with most standard cars, trucks, and SUVs. The defining feature is the 3D honeycomb pattern embedded into the surface. This textured design increases friction between your hands and the steering wheel, helping improve control during turns, quick maneuvers, or longer highway drives. The material is engineered to provide durability while maintaining comfort. The textured surface enhances grip without feeling overly rough, offering a balanced feel that supports both safety and long-term usability. The inner lining includes an anti-slip rubber base that keeps the cover securely in place once installed. A tight fit prevents movement and ensures consistent steering response. Another advantage is its ergonomic design. The surface contouring helps provide a comfortable hand position, which can reduce fatigue during extended drives. Like most universal fit covers, installation requires stretching the cover over the steering wheel for a snug fit. Once installed, it remains stable and reliable. Overall, the Pinktrot steering wheel cover is an excellent option for drivers prioritizing enhanced grip and steering control through its distinctive honeycomb anti-slip design. Number 5. Cofique Steering Wheel Cover, universal 15-inch, microfiber leather, viscose, breathable, anti-slip, warm in winter and cool in summer, black. The Cofique steering wheel cover combines microfiber leather and viscose materials to deliver comfort, breathability, and temperature regulation. Designed to fit standard 15-inch steering wheels, it's suitable for most vehicles including sedans, SUVs, and trucks. One of its key strengths is its breathable construction. The material blend helps reduce heat buildup during summer months while maintaining warmth during winter. This makes it a year-round comfort upgrade for your steering wheel. The surface provides a soft yet firm grip, improving handling and reducing the likelihood of slipping. The anti-slip interior lining ensures the cover stays securely in place once installed. Unlike some thicker covers, the Cofique design maintains a balanced thickness that improves comfort without making the steering wheel feel overly bulky. The black finish offers a clean, understated appearance that blends well with most vehicle interiors. It enhances the look of worn or aging steering wheels while adding a layer of protection against further wear and fading. Overall, the Cofique steering wheel cover is ideal for drivers seeking breathable comfort, reliable grip, and a simple, professional interior upgrade. That's our list of the top 5 best steering wheel covers here on USA Smart Shop. Each cover offers unique features depending on your driving style and preferences. You'll find updated prices and purchase links in the description below. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more product reviews.